Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Charles Schwab tax statements for capital gains reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Charles Schwab website and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready for a smooth process. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section located in the main menu. From there, select Statements to access your account statements. You will see options for different types of statements. Look for Tax Documents specifically. Click on the Tax Documents option to view available documents. Here, you will find your capital gains tax statements. Select the relevant tax year for which you need the capital gains report. Click on the desired document to open it. Once the document opens, review it for accuracy. If everything looks correct, look for the Download option. Click on the Download button to save the document to your device. Ensure you choose a secure location on your computer for easy access later. After downloading, you can open the document using a PDF reader. If you need to print your capital gains report, locate the Print option within your PDF reader. Follow the prompts to print your document. Keep a copy of your downloaded document for your records. Now you're ready to use your capital gains tax statement for reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.